How to delete a YouTube channel permanently on phone. Open the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Accounts in the top left corner and select the YouTube channel you want to delete. Once you've selected the correct channel, tap your profile picture again, choose Accounts, and then tap Manage your Google account. On the Google account page, tap Data and Privacy at the bottom. Scroll down to the Tools section and select Remove Data from services you no longer use. If prompted, enter your Google account password and tap Next. Now tap the bin icon next to YouTube. Select I want to permanently delete my content. To continue, check the confirmation boxes and tap Delete my content. Type your channel name or email address exactly as shown, then tap Delete my content once again. And that's it. That's how you delete a YouTube channel permanently on Android phone or iPhone. Thanks for watching.